If you're a freelancer, coach, or consultant, chances are you've already received feedback via LinkedIn, emails, or chats. But when it's time to share it with a client or on your website, everything's scattered. In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean, automated system to collect and store testimonials using 3 free tools: Notion, Tally, and Make, all linked using the same Gmail account for a seamless, smooth experience. So let's start right now. A simple reminder: you don't need any paid accounts to create or use this system. Just set up 3 free accounts: Tally, Notion, and Make, and connect them using your personal or professional Gmail. It's a fully free solution you can start using today. Before the Notion database creation, make sure you are signed and logged into your free Notion account, and normally you should see a screen like this. Let's create a clean and simple database in Notion to collect client feedback efficiently. We start by creating a new page in the private section. We'll name it Customer Testimonials to keep it organized. Now select Table View Database to structure your data right inside the page. Let's rename the table Feedback Table. This first column is added by default in Notion. It's normally used to create detailed pages, but since we don't need that, we'll just delete the name to keep it invisible. Let's set up our columns: client name, testimonial, source, and product type service. We'll choose the right field types: text for client name and testimonial, multi-select for source and product type service. Of course, we do not forget to enter the predefined drop-down values. The final step in setting up your Notion database is to grant Make permission to connect to it. This allows Make to access and update your data automatically every time someone submits a response through your form. That's it. A clean, ready-to-automate testimonial system in Notion with the correct drop-down values for the select type fields. Before the Tally form creation, make sure you are signed and logged into your free Tally account, and normally you should see a screen like this. Next step, let's create a testimonial form using Tally, so feedback can be collected easily and sent straight to Notion. We click on Add New Form to start from scratch and design a clean, user-friendly form. We start by giving a title to the form. Then, we add a text field for the client's name with the question, "What is your name?" This helps us organize and personalize the feedback. Then we insert a longer text field for their testimonial, a space where they can freely write their experience. Next, we create a drop-down menu to let them tell us where they received the form, like Instagram, LinkedIn, form, WhatsApp, or an email. Let's also ask which product or service they used. This helps categorize the testimonial correctly. Once the form is created, we can click Preview to see exactly how it looks. If everything feels right, clean, clear, and user-friendly, we hit Publish to make it live. After publishing, Tally provides you with a direct link. You can copy and paste it into any browser and view the form live on any device: desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Before the Make automation setup, make sure you are signed and logged into your free Make account, and normally you should see a screen like this. Now that our Tally form is ready, the next step is to build an automation scenario using Make. First, we create a new scenario and we set Tally as the trigger and then select Watch New Responses. Make will watch for new form submissions. We then click the red button to finish the setup, name the connection, and log in with our Gmail account, the same one used for Tally. Once the Gmail connection is active, we select our form from the drop-down list and click Save. Then, we connect Notion by choosing Create a Database item. We connect via Gmail, then select our Customer Testimonials database. Once the database feedback table is selected, we start mapping each question from our Tally form to the corresponding Notion fields. So for example, the question, "What is your name?" is matched with the Notion field name. Write Your Testimonial goes into Testimonial. Where did you receive this testimonial form is linked to the source field, and which product or service are you talking about is connected to a product service. We go through them one by one to make sure everything lines up correctly, and then we click on Save. Now we will see the result of this automation. Let's submit a new testimonial using our Tally form. Name: Claire H. Our team saved 12 hours a week with this solution. Source: LinkedIn, and as product tart service template, and then click Submit at the end of the form. Behind the scenes, Make detects the new submission and triggers the automation instantly. Each answer is automatically mapped to the matching fields in Notion. A few seconds later, everything appears neatly in our Notion database. Claire H. shared her feedback via LinkedIn. Our team saved 12 hours a week with this solution, now fully logged automatically in our system under the template product. In this first video, you've learned how to build a fully automated feedback collection system. In the second video, where the link is available in the description, you will discover how to implement a customizable template, a strong, structured starting point you can adapt to fit your business, your clients, and your style. Together, these two pieces give you more than a process. They give you a system designed to grow with you. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. More automation are on the way. And don't miss video 2 for the proven template setup.